Hello and welcome to LEKApatterns tutorial of sweatpants. The pattern you can get at our online shop or at Etsy. The direct links you can find below at the description of the video. The pants come with the side seam pockets. The pockets possible with zipper or without it. First, let's add the interfacing for the seam line on the pocket bag. The notches because you lost it after adding the interfacing. If you make the pockets without zipper, skip the next step. We use the invisible zipper. Let's pin the zipper. The top of the zipper should match with the third notch from the top. Pin the zipper the good sides inside. Sew one side of zipper. The seam goes between the third and fourth notches counting from the top line. The ends of it leave unstitched. Change the sewing machine's presser foot to the one for the hidden zipper. Sew one side of the zipper. Match one of the side of pockets bag with the zipper. The notches help you here again. The third notch on the pants matches with the first notch on the detail of the pocket bag, and the second one on the detail match with the fourth notch on the pants. Join these parts together. First, change the presser foot. Here we use one for the regular zipper. Sew as close as you can to the zipper. Start sewing with the open zipper and then later zip it that you could easier to reach the ends. Match another part of pants with the zipper. Match there according the notches. Pin it good sides inside. Unzip the zipper and sew it. Use the hidden zipper presser foot. Another part of pocket bag. Match and pin as always with the help of notches. Unzip and sew with the regular zipper's presser foot. Before the end of the seam, zip the zipper that you could easier reach the end. The next step is to join the pocket seam at top and bottom. You have to join together the rest of the part at the pocket's hole. Be sure that all layers line down to one side and all of them even to each other. This seam goes the same way no matter you make pocket with the zipper or without it. Make the seam with such a seam allowance like previous one, just add more like 0.2 centimeters. Together all outseam side along together with the rest of the pocket. Take attention to the notches. Along. another leg the same way. Pin together another part of the pants, front and back rises. The notches helps you to match it the right way. Sew front and back races. Match the crotch point and the rest part of inseam. Sew along. Join together the ends of elastic band of waistband. Pin it to the waistband. Make it even for all waistband. Begin at the back race where you pin the joint of the elastic band. Half point of elastic band match with the front race. Join together the elastic band with the pants. Here is important with your left hand to hold the end of elastic band and with the right hand to stretch it as much as pants fabric. It is recommended to lay down the pants on the table that you could more nicely and even to fold and pin the waistband. Place the front panel facing the table. It is important to take attention to the bag of the pocket. When you make the fold, the bag of the pocket should go under the elastic band at front of pants and no more than 1.5 centimeter. Along the waistband. When you sew, stretch the elastic band from both ends as much as lets the fabric. Here also take attention that fabric always nice and evenly covering the elastic band. Most important that the fabric would not go diagonally, and the stretching prevents of it. For the waistband you can make some more seams, or you can leave it like this. We'll make here more 2 seams. First, turn out the pants to the wrong side. Make the first seam with the seam allowance of the width of presser foot. We set the needle to the maximum width. Second seam, we make it in the middle of the rest wide. We set the needle back to the middle. The bottom parts goes the same way as the waistband. Join the elastic bands, pin them evenly to the leg bottom opening. Join together. The bottom of elastic band wide, pin evenly, and sew along. Don't forget to stretch the band as for the waistband. Here we also make some more few top stitching as we made for the waistband. That's it, your new sweatpants with the pockets ready to be worn. Subscribe LEKApatterns channel for more tutorials.